am Jaume Valls. I am the technical manager in Kellogg in Spain.
My name is Emilio Angles, and I am the Power Controls and Information System Manager. We produce ready-to-eat cereals in our manufacturing plant.
What we were missing was being able to balance our production lines. If you're facing low OE, low efficiency in packing, at some point you need to reduce the process, otherwise it crashes. In our operation this is crucial. PI helps us to be able to balance the line and avoid shutdowns and waste and cost.
In the last 10 years, we have reduced 20% of our energy usage, and we have even plans to reduce 5% more. And also we have increased the overall equipment effectiveness from the 67% to almost 80%, which is the best in class in industry.
It's an easy system to be able to get the tag you are interested in for the issue you have today. Even when this tag is not visualized in your system, because there was no need up to the problem we have had just now, it's easy to do this for the issue we have today. So that's what I like in the PI system.
One of the things that I've found when I work with OSIsoft people is that they make me very comfortable. And I can see the passion that they put in the product. And then as a customer, I try to also put passion in develop my PI system in my company.
PI is a system that we use a lot in the plant. Now with the new PI vision, we are thinking about trying this in the factory.
And also we are going to use the OSIsoft PI data as a basis for implementing in the future functionalities like new technologies, emerging technologies like augmented reality or virtual reality.
I am Jaume Valls and that's my PI story.
I am Emilio Angles and that's my PI story.